17, it says that, "But for those who honor the Lord, His love lasts forever, and His goodness endures for all generations." Sabi po sa Tagalog, ngunit ang pag-ibig ng Diyos ay tunay na walang hanggan. Sa sino man na sa Kanya may takot at pagmamahal, ang matuwid niyang gawa ay wala ring katapusan. Well, one thing that I like, dito po sa verse na ito, yung latter part ng verse, sabi niya, "For His goodness endures for all generations." Sabihin po natin, for His goodness endures for all generations. Handa na po ba tayo magpuri sa Panginoon? I just, hope and pray na tayo pong lahat ay ma-bless as we sing this song. Let's sing this song with all our heart. Come on, let's clap our hands.